Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about the ionization energy and excitation energy. So first, what is this excitation energy? Is that energy which is required by the electron to jump from lower energy state to higher energy state, from lower energy orbit to higher energy orbit. In case of hydrogen, the electron will jump from first orbit to second orbit, first orbit to third orbit, first orbit to fourth orbit. So, the energy required by the electron will be different. So, first we will see what is this first excitation energy. First excitation energy of hydrogen atom. So, if you say that this is the nucleus, proton neutron, in case of hydrogen 1 proton 1 neutron, this is first orbit and now this is second orbit. So, the electron jump from first to second like this. This is n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. So, when the electron jump from first orbit to second orbit, it requires energy. This energy is absorbed. If the energy in the second orbit E2, in first orbit E1, then this E1 and E2 difference, the E2 minus E1, this is the first excitation energy, and we know there is this E2 energy in the second orbit. This is minus 13.6 upon 4 minus E1 so this is now minus 3.4 plus 13.6 and this will become 10.2 joule electron volt. So, this is first excitation energy. When the electron jump from first orbit to second orbit, it requires energy. This energy is 10.2 electron volt. If the energy is less than 10.2, it will not jump from first orbit to second orbit. Similarly, if the energy is more than 10.2 electron volt, then again the electron will not jump from first to second orbit, it will jump from first orbit to third orbit. So, second excitation energy, this is equal to E3 minus E1, E3 minus 1.51 minus 13.6. So, this is equal to plus 12.09 electron volt. In this case, the electron will require this energy to jump from ground state to this third state. Here the energy required. This will be 12.09 volt. In this case, energy when it jump from first to second orbit, this is now 12.10.2 2 electron volt. So, energy required by the electron when it jumps from lower energy orbit to higher energy orbit will be different in different cases. Now, see what is this excitation potential? Excitation potential is that potential at which the accelerating electron is bombarded to the target atom, so that the atom can reach to its excited state from the ground state. That is, in case of hydrogen atom, the electron will jump from first orbit to second orbit, from first orbit to third orbit, and so on. So, the first excitation energy, E2 minus E1, this is 10.2 electron volt. Now, this energy is equal to Q into V, this is E into V. So, E into V is equal to 10.2 electron volt, this E cancels. So, V is equal to 10.2 volt. This is the excitation potential. This potential is required to accelerate the electron to bombard to the target atom, so that the atom can remain atom, but the electron will jump from first orbit to second orbit. So, what will happen in this case? This is the accelerating electron. Here this electron needs the potential 10.2 volt. Now, when this electron is accelerated, it will move towards this electron which is revolving in the orbit, and the electron now will jump from this ground state of the atom to the excited state of the atom. So, in this case, the potential which is required by this electron, which is bombarding electron, which is accelerating electron, this electron will move towards the target atom. This is target atom, and the electron will jump from lower energy level to higher energy level. So, this potential which is required is known as excitation potential. So, this potential 10.2 volt, this is first excitation potential. Similarly, second excitation potential, this will be the potential which will be required by the accelerating electron to be bombarded towards the target atom, so that the electron can jump from first orbit to third orbit directly. It will not jump into second, from first to third directly. So, if you see first, the second excitation energy, this is E3 minus E1, this is equal to 12.09 electron volt, 09 electron volt. So, the energy is written in terms of electron volt, and the energy is equal to charge into potential. So this is equal to E into V. Now if you compare this with this equation, so you will find this EV is equal to 12.09 electron volt. E cancel, so V is equal to 12.09 volt. This is second excitation potential. In this case, the electron will jump directly from first orbit to third orbit.